In this video, I want to show you how to add TikTok music straight to your Spotify playlist. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, imagine you're on TikTok and you are watching videos, and then you see a sound, for instance.
The boy she blocked.
And you see a sound, for instance, that you like, and you have Spotify and want to go and check the sound on Spotify. Now, normally what you're going to do, you're going to search the name of that sound on Spotify, or maybe at first we're going to Shazam the sound to know the title before going to Spotify, which is a total long process. In this video, I want to show you how to add any sound on TikTok straight to your Spotify library. Now, this is what you should do. Go to your profile, click on the three lines at the top here, click on settings. On settings, you are going to scroll down to music. On music, you are going to link your TikTok to your favorite music app. So in this case, I have two options, Apple Music or Spotify. So I'm going to choose Spotify and I link it to my Spotify. It's going to authorize, and all I have to do is to confirm and accept. So give it a moment. It's authorizing. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this. So I'll click on agree. Now, once I've agreed, my Spotify has been linked to TikTok. Now, if I'm watching a video, let's go back to my account. If I'm watching a video, let's say I want to look for a video with an official sound. Alright, now like this one, and I want to add it to my Spotify. I just have to click here and I click on add to Spotify, and it says added to your library like songs. So if I go now to my Spotify and I go to library and I choose like songs, I'm going to see that particular song, and here is it at the top here. So if you found this video helpful, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more important videos like this.